special news report about a case called the Lewy syndrome. Here to tell you about it is our news reporters Nicole and Diana Gonzalez.
Good morning. We are bringing to you an important news about a new outbreak that's occurring, the Lewy syndrome. Yes, you heard right, Lewy syndrome. Here we present to you the case of Louis, who was a bull master, but just like you see here, he has transformed into a little chihuahua. From bull master to chihuahua overnight. In order to get back from his original self, he must undergo a series of stem cell treatments.
This is a rare syndrome that only occurs in 1 out of 2,000 canines in the world. The animals that suffer from this syndrome experience what some might call an identity crisis. They undergo a series of dramatic physical changes that can happen at any moment, any day. A transformation, some might call it.
What are stem cells, Nicole?
Well, Diana, stem cells are cells that can develop into any types of cells in the body, depending on if they're multiponent or multiponent. They are basically a repair system. When these cells divide, they can either stay a stem cell or become a more specialized cell, such as a blood cell, brain cell, or muscle cell. So in this study, we will be using multiponent stem cells, which can become any type of cell in the body, except for those needed to support and develop a fetus.
Okay. Here in the lab, we can collect these stem cells from a number of resources, such as from human embryos that are only a few days old or from fetal tissue older than 8 weeks. New findings in animals, however, suggest that even after a few stem cells have begun to specialize and may be more flexible than previously thought. Scientists learn how to control their development into all different cells in the body, and even though stem cells can transform into any type of cell, sometimes it can be rejected by the immune system. Problems with research suggest that a single stem cell treatment will not work on a multitude of unrelatable diseases. There are a few widely accepted stem cell therapies, and just because stem cells help doesn't mean they did for some people.
Well, thank you, America. And here is a word from our brave soldier Louis, who is undergoing treatment at this very moment.
Let me remind you that he was originally a bull master. Yes, you heard right, a bull master. Louis, do you have any wise words for the crowds?
This is a very struggling time for him and his family. So if you want to show support, you can go to www.thelouissyndrome.com or call
1-800-NEED-HELP-NOW.
Need help now. Thank you and good night.